Okay, this is Bonnie Hawkins, and here are a few wind sounds. Sounds of the wind blowing out here. And you can hear little birds chirping in the background as well. Well, hello there. This is Bonnie Hawkins, and today is Thursday, April the 30th, 2020. And I was just outdoors, kind of looking around a little bit. And I started to decide I was just going to capture a few little pieces of the wind, little odds and ends. And the wind's picking up out here. And there's my little wind chime blowing in the wind. And there. guys can see that, but you see that, if you can, you see that flowering tree right there? Okay, that's what I'm talking about. I was thinking about how, if you look at that tree, first of all, it's real windy out here. This little flowering tree right here, right there. That little purple flowering tree, okay, that's a small tree, and it's been leaning for some time. But God still managed to, even when it was leaning, and it was leaning really bad. And now that tree has actually straightened up within the last couple of weeks. To me, that's showing me how God is even working with us. So if we're feeling down or something is going on in our lives, you know, we're in the middle of this coronavirus epidemic, pandemic that's going on here in the United States as well as all across the world. How God is still busy. He's working with us. And I'm just thanking God for seeing this tree, because this tree kind of reminds me of, even sometimes we may be feeling down. Some of us may even feel like we're falling apart for whatever reason. Well, there's hope in this, like for this tree. Actually, I thought this tree was going to just fall over and that would be the end of it. The little tree right there I'm talking about with the purple flowers on it. But God restored that tree back to its former glory. And now it's thriving. Got the beautiful flowering blossoms on it and everything. So keep the faith, keep the hope. God is always going to be in control. But that tree just reminds me of God's beauty, of how He restores us. The psalmist says, "The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me lie down in green pastures. He leads me beside the still waters. He restores my soul. He leadeth me in a path of righteousness for His name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I'll fear no evil, because the Lord God is with me. His rod and His staff, they do comfort me. Surely goodness and mercy will follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever, to behold the beauty of the Lord, and to seek after only the Lord."